She's added one more feather to her cap, and that's of a fashion designer. So, Malaika, getting used to being called as a fashion designer now?
I don't know about that, but it definitely feels good to be able to do something different. It's something that I wanted to do for a really long time, and I'm actually getting the opportunity and the chance to actually live that dream.
And totally apt, considering your image of being a style diva. So totally apt. You're launching your online store now. Tell us about your store. What's it called, and how to go about shopping and clicking the right stuff.
Well, I think in today's day and age, everybody is so familiar with being online and shopping for like various things. Everybody I know, right from the little kids to housewives to everyone shopping online. So I thought it would be a great way, to do something interesting.
Right now, you look like a style diva for us, and you've always been perfect when you come out in front of media. We don't find any faults in you, but then you know yourself personally. So, maybe during your modeling days or grooming days, was there anything which you thought that, okay, this I need to cover up or something like that?
We all have our bad days and good days. I mean, one would think, oh, I'm extremely fitness conscious and things like that. But no, I've had my days where, oh my God, I felt frumpy, or I feel, my hips are too, large and I can't wear this and I have to, we all go through these.
We don't see that.
One is never happy with the way she is. And I think the day you achieve that, then you've achieved nirvana.
I have to sneak peek into your wardrobe, which is that one thing we'll never find there, which is like out of your wardrobe checklist that you don't wear at all.
Oh my God, which I don't wear at all.
Maybe a color or a design or something, it doesn't look good on you.
I would say, those crop pants.
Yeah.
You'd never find me wearing those crop pants. I mean, I've chucked all of them.
Actually, you had that in your wardrobe. But
I mean, how you feel or whatever, but you'll never find them because I feel it does nothing to my body. It doesn't flatter me at all. So you'll never find those in my wardrobe.
Okay. And do we see you opening a store in Bombay? It's an online thing right now, but in future maybe.
I don't know. I've not thought about that, but you never know what lies ahead and what's in store for you. This is something that I want to do right now and give it, all my energy. I mean, eventually I would like to also open a restaurant at some point in my life. That's another avenue that I really enjoy. So I think fashion and food always go hand in hand.
The whole family is very supportive about this whole new venture.
Absolutely, and we're all looking forward and we're all excited.
And any actress from the industry whom you would want to maybe give away a freebie from your closet or from the store?
Oh, there are lots. And I have a whole list of people that I'd like a whole list of women that I'd like them to experience some of my, for my stuff. And I have quite a wish list out there.
Okay. And when do we see you coming back on the big screen? I mean, last was Dabangg 2. Any plans, anything in pipeline?
There are, but as and when they materialize, they will. But right now, apart from this, I'm enjoying producing films and making films. That's something that's really also keeping me pretty active and on my toes, and that's what I'm looking forward to as well.